Hey, it's Wayne Carini, owner of F40 Motorsports and, of course, chasing classic cars. Today I'm coming to you from our F40 rear showroom. We used to keep about 10 cars in this showroom, and you can see what Advantage Lift, double Advantage Lifts have done for our inventory. We're able to keep so many cars in stock. And the good thing about this is that it's the utilization of space to its fullest, but yet if we want to get that Firebird off, it's a very easy task. We just move a few cars out, lower the lift. We can get that car out and show it within 10 minutes of being asked to take it out and show it. It's the ease of operation. It's also the sturdiness of the unit itself. If we look at it, the beam going across actually has a bow that goes up slightly, and that adds another layer of strength to the lift. You know, when you're selling high-end cars, you want to make sure you have the best lifts available to hold them as well as to display them. And what we have here is a great display of cars. We have people from all over the world come here, and a lot of the people love the cars. They go, I love those lifts too. Advantage lifts, the material that they're used with is the highest grade material, the way that they're constructed, and the safety aspect of them all. Again, using space is really the key. And then and having one at home is really great. But here at F40, we highly recommend Advantage lifts.